Commercial crawl space dehumidifier. A commercial crawl space dehumidifier is used to reduce the humidity levels in a crawl space. Common features of commercial-grade dehumidifiers for crawl space. Number 1. Size: it should be large enough to cover the entire crawl space. Number 2. Continuous drainage option. This allows the unit to keep running until the water tank is full, at which point it will automatically switch off and start draining. 4 Best Crawl Space Dehumidifier. 1. Alair 120 ppb Commercial Dehumidifiers with Pump and Hose. The Alair 120 ppb Commercial Dehumidifier removes up to 120 pints of moisture from the air per day. 2. Alair Basement/Crawl Space Dehumidifiers Removal 120. It features an auto-defrosting system and a 5-year warranty. The dehumidifier is made of steel and has a wattage of 471.5 watt-hours. 3. Aprilair E070 Pro 70 pint Dehumidifier for Crawl Spaces. The Aprilair E070 Pro 70 pint Dehumidifier is a great choice for anyone looking to prevent mold, termites, structural wood rot. 4. Aprilair E080 Pro 80 pint Dehumidifier for crawl spaces, basements, whole homes, and commercial up to 4,400 square feet.